officially in Florida. So I'm here, of course, for the LZ open house he's having this Sunday. If you guys didn't hear about that, then I don't know, you're missing out. But this Sunday, Adam's having a huge open house, and a bunch of us were invited to come hang out and join the party. And I'm pretty excited. I just got in like literally a second ago. I'm like running on like 2 hours of sleep, so if I don't make sense today, I apologize, but I still can't believe I'm here. I don't know. Alberto's out here trying to blow his car up. Let's hear some shit.
Trying, this thing's not cooperating very well.
Ah, shit. Damn, everyone's out here.
You've been doing this since I got here.
It's literally all. How's it going, man?
Hey, buddy. I do wish I had a rotary sometimes.
Yeah, I can't believe.
Yeah, you know what? I don't feel as guilty because I didn't pull it out, but it's beautiful.
No excuse. Thank you. Thank you.
But it might sound just as good with one hand.
It will sound nasty. It will sound good for sure. But I love that. Amazing.
Such inspiration to finish my car. That car is perfect. It is so gorgeous. Oh my god. This boy crazy. Fuck that. That was more than I thought. Just a little bit more sauce than I thought. It looks good wet.
Everything looks good wet. Jesus.
Washing it like a man. Show him how it's done.
No.
Show him how it's done. There you go.
What is?
That's how you really do it, Showman. You don't know what that is.
Classic way. There you go. That's how you wash a race car.
Alright guys, so there is so much going on. There is 7 different people with cameras, so it's kind of hard to film some good individual content. So things are hectic. There's a lot of cool stuff. I didn't bring any of my cars, so I didn't dress it. So I didn't bring any of my cars. I'm really upset about it. I would have loved to bring something. I would have loved to bring the Red Z. That would have been really nice, but it just would have cost me way too much money to trailer it down here. Though I do have a trailer. As you guys know, I don't own a truck, and yes, it is on the top of the list of shit I need to buy, but renting one and doing all that would have just costed an ass ton of money, and it would have been cool, and I should have sucked it up and did it, but I'm trying to save right now for some other cool projects, so.
Also, my car's about to get foamed now for the first time.
Oh, ooh.
Ever.
See? That's so satisfying.
That's what you do.
Get them nice in there. Yeah.
Oh my god, when I started.
Hey, no more two-step, thank God.
Oh, with the hips? Ooh.
Just gotta stretch the hips, Jimmy.
Anyone else drive this thing yet? Ever?
No, actually. No, none of my friends want to drive it. They're all too scared to break it. Which is fair.
Which, yeah, it is pretty perfect.
But it's like the car doesn't have like that big of like a fuck up yet. So like,
yeah,
it's
that's
still,
true. That's true.
You know, like you it's like if you just finished the car and you're like waiting to like kind of like
Something
break something. It's like, oh,
you did. You broke something.
I did,
yeah.
and I've already fucked the bumper, but still, it's still relatively new.
Come on, give me some sauce. I just want a little sauce.
Bro, the car's cold. We just started.
No, give me some sauce.
I'm not gonna give it sauce.
Aww.
I will once it's
TJ,
warm.
come on, tell me to give him sauce.
It's cold. You can't give it sauce.
Oh my god, you guys.
We're not even talking like water temps. We're talking oil temps.
We're getting some sauce.
Lack of traction sauce.
Some sauce. Some sauce. Oh my god, okay. Fuck me
It's
up.
spinning the whole time.
I know.
It's weird because it still grips even though it's spinning.
Alright, so we've been running around all night, and we all went out and just bought blankets and pillows because Adam had no idea if he actually had any.
No, he fucking knew. It's just 7.
So me and TJ are staying in this room.
Yeah.
Just, there's loads of them.
Oh, he's pulled out like another air mattress.
Weaseled us into buying this. He's like, oh no, like you could just like leave it here for next time you come back. I'm like, this kid fucking wanted an extra air mattress for the house, and I bought it.
Just had to be so nice to let us stay here. Adam.
It was a ploy.
He's like, you guys can come over, you can stay here, just you gotta buy an air mattress.
All the blankets, all the towels,
all the towels.
Your boy kept his receipt. Fucking let's go. I could. We're being bleeding about.
Just to let you know, we shopped in the clearance aisle. I got myself a nice clearance blanket.
It was,
Nah, I bought on the pillow though.
Gently used.
Here is your sleeping bag, sir.
Oh no! Well, yo, I balled on this, Adam. Check it.
What?
You're gonna put this in the master after this weekend.
What is this? Is
It's a
it?
Tempur-Pedic pillow.
That's
This is not
$4
Tempur-Pedic. Dude, you can feel
Oh,
the
it says
clumps.
memory. It says memory
You
foam.
can
Not
feel the
Tempur-Pedic.
fake clumps
Get outta
of
here.
rabbit fur.
Ow, you're so aggressive.
I hit myself in the head.
Next day. All right, it is the morning of the. I can't even speak. I'm so tired. What is it?
5 is a nightmare when it's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Wait till it's back in CT.
Oh, don't even start with me.
You ain't driving this thing all the way. So it is the morning of the open house. We're all exhausted, but Jack's here and he brought Dusty. This is the best surprise ever. This is so awesome. Are you gonna bring this to the drag strip and stuff too?
We'll see. Let's see. I would hate to break Dusty this far from home.
Don't
but-
launch it that hard.
Exactly. We'll give her a little run.
Ooh, that cold start though. Ah, it's such an awesome car. All right, so I'm trying to film stuff this morning so we can get a video out for it today, but I guess we'll see what's up. Oh shit! What's up, buddy?
What's going on,
I'm
dude?
happy you made it.
I know.
I didn't know
am
you were
too.
coming until like literally the day of we left. So
Yeah, no, I'm super stoked to be here.
ready to party?
I'm ready to fucking party.
It is the open house. I'm freaking out. There's so much going on. I'm so excited. I was gonna try and film something this morning to like finish off this video to make it a whole video, but I don't want to ruin anyone's surprise or content by doing so for today. So we're just gonna end it here. I'll upload a short video so you guys know I'm trying and do all that stuff. I just want to let you guys know that everyone's here. Jackson, I'm so
What's up, man?
it's a big day.
We're here.
I'm nervous.
Wait, we've met. You came from Connecticut. I'm still in
The
Florida.
universe has brought us together.
I didn't come as far as you did, but
Okay.
I'm still here.
Oh, yeah, you're right, Nick.
Hey, how's it going, man? Oh, yeah, fuck you.
Please beat Tommy
And beat Tommy in what? Both?
on Wednesday.
I'm gonna try, dude. My turbo's really laggy, so it's gonna be difficult.
Nitrous.
Nitrous. Listen to this.
I'm
guys.
gonna give him
My
some
car
pro
live?
tips. Some corner exit pro tips.
Sure.
Yeah, basically what you need to do.
Okay,
is-
we'll let them discuss tactic. TJ's here. TJ, we're just gonna end my first video just because.
This is the first video still.
Yeah, because I don't want to like ruin anyone's surprise.
Alright guys, that's it. This is finito. Day one's over. Just click off the video. If you haven't left a like down below, I'll say it for Jimbo. Comment like. If you haven't subscribed, you shouldn't even be here at this point. No one watches the end of the video that's not subscribed, so I don't even need,
a fact.
I don't even need to say that.
Yeah,
so
okay.
there you go.
Okay, yeah, so we'll catch you guys later. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you tomorrow.